Mithun Chakraborty is an Indian film actor, best known for his action hero and his colourful career. He was born on the 16th of June 1967. Some sources say the 16th of June 1965, in West Bengal, and his birth name was Gauranga Chakraborty. He made his film debut with Mrinal Sen's Mrigayaa, 1976, for which he won the National Award for Best Actor. Birth and early life: born the 16th of June 1950. Some sources say 1965, Kolkata, India. Pastoral residence: Khairabad village, Bakerganj Upazila, Barisal district, Bangladesh. Education: he earned a BSc in chemistry from Kolkata. He graduated from the Scottish Church College, Kolkata, and later graduated from the Film and Television Institute of India, FTII, Pune. Career debut: legendary director Mrinal Sen's film Mrigayaa, 1976, was his first film, for which he won the National Award for Best Actor. Achievements: he was one of the most popular superstars of Bollywood, and was known as the disco dancer. He is known as an action hero, and has had a long and successful career in Hindi and Bengali films. Awards: in his film career, he has won several awards, including the National Award and the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Other information: he is also a social worker, entrepreneur, and musician. His father is Vasant Kumar Chakraborty and mother is Shanti Rani Chakraborty. In married life, he is married to Yogita Bali. Thank you.